Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up, y'all.
Welcome back.
Today we're following up on our Will It Stain video.
Or will it stain?
Yeah.
That sounds, in retrospect, that sounds kind of nasty.
Will It Stain.
Will it stain? Ooh.
And
Demonetized.
It's December now.
Merry Christmas.
You know what that means?
Christmas
That means
presents?
No. That means you and I are going to be enjoying the best and the worst treats that Christmas has to offer. Because there's a lot of Christmas treats going around this time of year. So let me go get you what we're going to enjoy today.
Oh boy. I'm kind of excited. I'm glad y'all like to see us eating food. Oh, he's getting forks. We were talking about this today.
You were.
Dude, a fruitcake?
A fruitcake. We're going to be trying a fruitcake. I've never had a fruitcake.
It's even like it's not even a nice fruitcake. It's just like the Walmart fucking great value fucking fruitcake.
That's where I got it.
I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the way it smells. I don't like it. It's got a family. I don't like its family. This is not cake. And that is not fruit.
It could be good. It's a
we,
cake.
Like, show it to the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sticky. Why is it sticky?
It's sticky on the paper.
Just glazed the whole thing. They wrapped it in paper and they dipped it in fucking sugar.
I don't want to touch it either, but I gotta.
I hate you.
You know, the best thing about having a brother is making him eat nasty stuff on YouTube.
I'm the older brother. I'm supposed to be bullying you.
Oh, God.
What is that?
That's a pecan.
You're brave. I'm not getting that big of a piece.
Come on, boy.
Nah, bro. What is this consistency? It's going everywhere.
It is going everywhere.
Oh, there's little chunks inside.
Get your bite with stuff in it.
That's got stuff in it?
Okay, yeah, you
Fucking
got some
cheers.
of the green stuff. I might love it. I've never had fruitcake.
Well, it's better than it looks. I still don't like it. Caleb hates it. Did that really make you gag?
It's a texture thing.
The textures, yeah. Dude, it's like your Wendy's was having a party in your stomach, and then the fruitcake is like the new...
It was a big old chunk.
You done?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Take a drink, bud. I take solace in knowing that you had a worse time than I did.
It wasn't so much the fruitcake, it was just like I had this big nasty chew in my mouth and I was like, I'm just going to swallow the whole thing. And just be done with it.
All at once.
My mouth was like, no.
Crumbs all over the table.
Jeff, do you want to try it? She's taking it off. Are you taking it off camera? Are you going to try it?
She's throwing it in the garbage.
She threw the whole thing away.
Yay!
It's gone. Eat these pieces.
I'm not eating shit else, man.
It's earned its reputation.
It has.
Alright, dude, we did our weird wood stain. I heard from J-Mess.
J-Mess.
He said he wasn't sure how long we waited, but he says he thinks the chili powder might have done more had we let it sit for maybe a few hours.
Yeah, I still think that one with like a water, maybe like an alcohol base, even.
We got quite a bit of suggestions from people too. J-Mess said he's interested in seeing other household products, maybe mustard or strawberry milk.
I bet mustard.
I wouldn't mind doing the mustard, but I have seen it done.
Gonna be smelly.
Kevin was hoping that the Cheetos would stain.
Yeah, we all were, Kevin.
We all were, Kevin. We were all disappointed in the Flaming Hot. He said we should do a follow-up in a few months to see if anything has happened to him. And Kevin says we should try ketchup, Rit Dye, NyQuil, and Dayquil.
NyQuil and Dayquil?
Yeah, I mean, well, they got the, like, vibrant orange and what's the
I
other
guess. Color? Just as long as we can sip on it the whole time.
Dude, heard from Steve I.
Steve I.
Yeah, he said we might have some luck with coffee stain. I think I've seen that done before.
Just use coffee grounds for stain.
I think it works. Yeah. Dude, and Mike Lang, man.
Mike Lang.
He's thinking that these are going to go rancid in the wood and become toxic. And says avoid using any of these stains. Well, that's why we got to test it.
Yeah, I mean, we'll go back and look at it. I mean, to be fair, it was kind of I don't want to call it a joke video. It was for funsies.
It was for funsies.
You know, I mean...
It was for funsies and to see what potential could be gleaned out of it.
I guess maybe we should have put a disclaimer in front of it.
He's just feeling concerned.
We appreciate your concern, Mike.
HTFG.
H the fuck G.
He says we should do a liquid stain video.
Harry TIE Fighter Gary.
Hey, I like it.
Hey.
He says Coke, Kool-Aid, tea, and OJ.
Yeah, maybe just do a drinks series. Yeah, somebody recommended Big Blue and Big Red.
Yeah, Gary was disappointed in the Cheetos. He says especially based on what they do to your fingers.
It's like we're all the Cheetos dap. We're all just very disappointed.
Dude, so on our last follow-up, I asked what's a tool you can't live without, and you asked Dexter or Breaking Bad. Then we heard from Jonathan J. Mess.
Jonathan J. Mess.
He says he purchased his first bandsaw and can make some cuts that his table saw can make, but also all the beneficial cuts of the things the bandsaw can do that the table saw can't do. I got really mixed up in words there for a second.
That you did.
So he says he would have to go with the bandsaw, and he has to go with Breaking Bad. Hell of a lot better ending.
That's very true.
Yeah, Kevin says Breaking Bad hands down. And he'd go with his miter saw. Dude, Ken Ferner.
Ken Ferner, the tree man himself.
He says a tool he can't live without would be his broom. JK, he says table saw.
Yeah, you know, it's good to have a broom around too.
And he says Breaking Bad.
I think Breaking Bad's gonna win out on this one.
Yeah, and my vote was for Breaking Bad.
I mean, you know, everybody's got AMC. Not everybody had Showtime, you know.
Luke the hippie dip silverfish.
Loop the hippie.
Loop.
Loop Silperpish. the hippie commie Nazi.
Loop. Let's see what Loop had to say.
Special Agent Loop.
He says he would go with Breaking Bad. It had a solid run the whole way through, and Dexter had a crappy last couple seasons and horrible ending.
Yeah. I mean, he's not wrong. It fell off towards the end there. And bad ending, too.
He's working on building up his tools, but for now he says he'd go with his drill. Seems to play a part in almost every project.
I mean, it does. Along with just being handy to have around the house.
Yeah.
You ever hang a TV without a drill?
Yes.
It's bullshit.
He says you don't get an Abastille eating donuts. Happy non-turkey day, fellas.
Thanks, Luke.
But dude, Steve-I.
Welcome back, Steve.
Now, he says he doesn't have any woodworking tools, so it's kind of a toss-up between his ratcheting screwdriver and a multimeter for when an electronic he has doesn't seem to work.
Multimeters are...
Multimeters
are super handy. Ratcheting screwdrivers are as well.
Ratcheting screwdriver is a good way to go. Dude heard from CJ.
CJ.
He said he's never seen Dexter or Breaking Bad. He says a good workbench is fantastic, but he'd have to say a good drill is the way to go.
2 for drill?
2 for drill. Kind of like the TV says, drilling and driving with hand tools is miserable. Although I've always kind of wanted the old, I wanted to try one of those. Yeah, just because it looks like fun, but it's probably not.
The Amish aren't having fun, Caleb. I hate to tell you this.
Dude, HTFG.
Harry Tree Fitty Gary.
Dude, he says he can't work without his miter saw, period. And he says Breaking Bad. Gary was concise and to the point.
Concise, Gary.
Michael Wagner. He says he can't pick one. 4060 table saw, bandsaw. Table saw has the accuracy, bandsaw has the freedom. America. Didn't answer your question.
That's fine. That's a good answer for your question.
That is a good answer. And what's your weekly question? Do you have one?
Barbecue or sour cream and onion?
Like chips?
Yeah, like chips.
Well, it could have just been on its own. Sour cream and onion.
Sour cream and onion.
So I intentionally did not think of a weekly question because I think it's probably been a minute since we've done like an AMA.
Oh, or, an AMA, yeah.
Or AUA. Ask us anything.
Ask us anything.
It's been a minute since we've done that, y'all. Or what the Q&A, whatever the hell you want to call it. Q&A, AMA, AUA, whatever you want to call it.
We've gotten
lots
of new subscribers.
We've got new subscribers, got some new, folks commenting on a regular basis. So if y'all want to ask us anything, go for it.
Feel free. We're an open book.
We're an open book. We'll be answering y'all's questions next time. Those are always fun.
Mm-hmm.
I like doing those every once in a while.
They're good.
Leave your questions for us down below, and we'll answer those. That's all we got.
That's all we got.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. There's reasons why doing that is a good thing.
It makes the algorithm give us a raise.
It does. Subscribe to this channel too, because we have brand new videos every Friday and Wednesday, and they're so great that you should click the notification bell so you don't miss
It might be
any of them.
the best thing on YouTube.
I think so.
We're a hidden gem.
We are a hidden gem. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.